Today we're going to be road testing our 1969 Corvette C3 generation with a 350 cubic inch motor and a 4-speed manual gearbox. It is in exceptional condition. It's got 40,000 some odd original miles, and it's muscle. So for all you Corvette enthusiasts out there, she's really nice. Well, starts like a Corvette. First shot, great oil pressure, cold as can be at the moment. Some fuel, and let's get going. Wipers work. Let's try the lights. Lights work. Yep. I'm really happy that Jason just confirmed they're working, because they went up and now they're going down. So as we warm it up, everything is working. They're really cool cars. They sound great. Gearbox feels great. Clutch feels great. This is going to sound awesome on the flybys. It's really tight. Suspension feels wonderful. It's been well cared for, maintained. It is definitely American made, usable, and America's sports car. We're at operating temperatures on some back roads in Huntington. Show you that she is tracking exceptionally well. She is braking exceptionally well, and is doing everything a proper Corvette that's been maintained should. Got great burble on D-cell. It's easy to use around town. I mean, clutch is a little heavy, but they all are. The steering is typical American feather light, but it is a sports car with a lot of muscle. And I did say, and I have said, a great, great, great sound. I'm going to take it up and down the twisty road on the way to the farm road, where we'll do our flybys. Pretty cool on the back roads as well. It is got an exceptional amount of torque. It's really neat because we're at 1,000 RPM in 4th gear right now, and if you put your foot down on the floor, I think from 4th gear to 1,000 RPM, you pretty much already hit top speed of a 1980s diesel Mercedes. It is typical American muscle, and there's not much else we can say about it, because a Corvette is an exceptional car, and in the record books for sure, every series. And I think at this point, it's a condition from one to another. And this one is really, really, really exceptionally nice. With only the slightest wear. Everything is working. Clock's working. Hey, let's see.
No haggle, no hassle.
No haggle, no hassle.
Roto.
See?
Start saving now by downloading
Corvette
the Roto
ownership.
app.
No haggle, no hassle. So, just typically American, usable, and a exceptional workhorse that goes quite well. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the flybys. This thing sounds awfully good. Here we are turning onto the farm road. Second gear, third gear, fourth gear. So you can see it's got plenty of power to just cruise along. If you want to go fast again, second gear. And power brakes. And that great burble. As you can see, it's a pretty nice Corvette. We have full history, and we welcome any questions you may have, and hope you enjoyed this road test of a wonderful Corvette. So, thank you. See ya.